Miss? Miss, excuse me. Question for you. Sa inyo po ba tong Cybertruck?
Yes.
Miss, ano pong ginagawa natin para makapag-afford ng ganitong klaseng kotse?
Actually, this is our business.
Business niyo po to, ma'am. Ako po, ma'am, nag-interview po ako ng mga business owners for the younger generation. Baka pwede po kayong ma-interview kahit saglit lang.
Sige, saglit lang ha.
Sige po, ma'am. So, gano'n na po tayo katagal sa car industry?
Speed 7 has been in the industry for almost 40 years, while C-Sentry, which is our partner brand for armoring, has been here for 10 years.
40 years and 10 years. So, sabi niyo kanina, ma'am, armoring. Ano po to? Yung nagbo-bulletproof?
Yes, we also do bulletproofing. So apart from importing, also do armoring and vehicle customization.
Ano po yung pinakamalaking kinita natin sa isang taon?
Nako, yun na nga ba yung pinaka nakakatakot mong question? Is this personal or company?
Mas maganda, ma'am, kung personal para sa sarili niyo.
As you know, Speed 7 naman, malaki na to, di ba? Pagdating sa company, secret yan. Personal siguro, quite an inspiring story. I've always had my money of my own. I've had my first million, siguro my own money at the age of 21.
21, ma'am, first million. Ano po yung ginagawa natin, ma'am, para makuha yung first million na yun?
Extra classes ko during college, sagad ang absences because I would always get in marketing jobs on the side. I would always buy and sell stuff. So, nasa sa akin na talaga yung pag-flip at pagnenegosyo.
So nakuha nyo talaga, ma'am, yung skill nyo ng sales noon pa, nung bata pa tayo?
I'd like to believe so kasi lagi ako tinatanong, Chinese ba daddy ko? Sabi ko hindi Chinese, feeling Chinese lang.
Feeling Chinese lang. So speaking of sales, ma'am, dito sa digital age ngayon, ano ba yung mas importante sa tingin nyo? Sales or marketing?
Nako, that's a very tough question. I'm also a believer of old school sales strategies, pero mas maganda yung combination of both. Sales strategy ng mga veterano, kasi iba magbenta dati, talagang galing sa puso. Pero yung mga nagbebenta kasi ngayon, ang maganda naman sa digital age natin is the innovation and also through the help of social media and tools.
Yes, tama yun, ma'am, no? Kasi yung technology ngayon, nakaka-help siya with the marketing. Mas napapaspread, lalo na yung brand awareness. And at the same time, gustong-gusto ko, ma'am, yung traditional sales. Kukunti na lang yung nakakapagbenta on the spot. Sinasa puso nyo yun. Kino-consider nyo ba yung sarili nyo as magaling talaga sa sales?
Kung marami mang mas magaling sa akin sa auto, sigurado kung ako magaling akong magbenta.
I love the confidence, ma'am. So, pwede nyo po bang bigyan yung mga viewers natin ng isang factor sa sales para maging milyonaryo?
You have to believe in yourself. Yourself is the biggest product that you have. If you don't believe in yourself, then everything that you'll be selling, wala yan. It has to come from your heart. You have to manifest everything that you want, and you have to make sure that you treat every client that it's not their last. Kasi exponential ang sales natin. Pwedeng kapitbahay, kamag-anak, kapatid. Lahat yan pwede nating bentahan. But you know, you'll never know kung kailan siya magtutuloy at kung kailan din siya matatapos. You have to be very, very careful.
Kapag maganda yung product natin, which is sarili natin, mas maganda yung magiging network natin, kahit ano pa yung ibenta natin sa kanila, tatangkilikin nila to.
Oo, kasi kapag naniniwala ka sa sarili mo and you also believe in the product that you are selling, definitely hindi ka nanloloko ng tao.
Ang ganda, ma'am, no? Isa sa mga best factor talaga is integrity, and the best product is relationship. No?
Yes.
So, ma'am, speaking of clients and customers po, no? Pagdating po dito sa luxury and bulletproofing, medyo parang VIP po yung mga customers natin dito. So, ano po yung pinaka-importante na meron ka dapat dealing with these kinds of people?
It's always gonna boil down with personalized service because to every client that I have, I make sure everybody is a VIP. Pinaka-simpleng kliyente hanggang dito sa mga big time natin. I make sure that I treat them all fairly and I always treat them as if they are my last clients. Kahit nasa saan pa sila, the premise is whatever that I sell, I can service.
Yun, tama yun, ma'am, no? Kasi we can't judge the customers by their looks. Kapag pumasok yan dito, we treat them as VIPs agad-agad. So next question naman po, ma'am, if babalik po tayo ng oras, ano po pwede nyo sabihin sa younger self nyo?
I think it's always gonna boil down to distractions. Just focus on the things that you feel are important. Lahat yan may tamang oras. Wala kasi ako sobrang pinanghihinayangan sa sarili ko because I've always believed to every challenge that we have, it builds us to be the bigger, better, and stronger version of us. Lahat ito kailangan lang matuto tayo.
Huwag tayong manghinayang sa mga nangyayari sa atin kahit na mapasama pa to or mabuti man. It's always the same result. Lagi tayong nag-grow or lagi tayong nag-i-improve after these experiences.
Head on and always be accountable for every action that you have. Accountability doesn't go for everybody. Ang pinakamalaki sigurong challenge ko is as a woman, they've always stereotyped me as somebody as, hindi, wala yan, babae yan. You know, I've always hated that stereotype because everybody Nobody is built to be the same. Anybody can achieve whatever I've achieved. Can always make sure that we get what we want if we focus on it.
You'd never let gender biases get in the way. Importante talaga is how you focus and how you learn on a certain industry. And pag-aralan lang natin ng mabuti nang walang tinatapakan na ibang mga tao. So last question na lang po ma'am, any advice po sa mga viewers natin or sa younger generation para kayanin nila yung mundo ng entrepreneurship?
You make your own future. We make our own lives. Lahat ng ginagawa natin everyday, let's say if you want to wake up 1 hour earlier today, then that's gonna be 7 hours earlier for 1 week. 7 hours for 1 week times 365 days. Then you create a better version of yourself. So every little thing that you do will count.
Tama yun ma'am, no? Kasi what you do in one thing is what you do at everything. So kung ano yung ginagawa natin araw-araw, yun yung magiging tayo in the future. No? So thank you so much ma'am for your time.
Thank you.
Pleasure to meet you po.